Hi students. In the last class, we have solved some numericals based on electricity. So today we will be solving more numericals based on current, voltage and resistance. So let us start. Next question. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors 0.2 ohm, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? We already learned that in series combination of resistors, the current is same at every part of the circuit. So there is no division of current. So what we do here, first we will calculate the equivalent resistance of this series connection. Then we can calculate the current flow through the 12 ohm resistor. That is given here. Given V is 9 volt and the resistance values are given here. So let us calculate the equivalent resistance in series will be the sum of all these 5 resistors, that is 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12, which gives you what? 13.4 ohm. So let us calculate the current flowing through 12 ohm resistor. So V is equal to IR or I is equal to V by R. So voltage is given 9 divided by resistance in series. So what we get? 40 point. Answer is 0.671 ampere. So what is the current flow through 12 ohm resistor? We know that the current is same at every part of the circuit. So the current flowing through 12 ohm resistors will be what? It is same, 0.671 ampere. That is the final answer. Question number 10 is, there are 3 resistors joined in series in a system having resistance equal to 10, 20, 30 respectively. If the potential difference of the circuit is 240 volt, find the total resistance and current through the circuit. Given resistance values are given, R1 is equal to 10 ohm, R2 which is equal to 20 ohm, R3 which is equal to 30 ohm, and the voltage which is equal to 240 volt. What we need to find out? We need to find out the total resistance and the current through the circuit. How do we calculate the total resistance? We know that it is a series combination. So RS will be the sum of R1 plus R2 plus R3. So if you add all these resistors, 10 plus 20 plus 30, which gives you what? 60 ohm will be the equivalent resistance of this series circuit. Let us find out the current. I is equal to, using Ohm's law, V by R, which is equal to, V is 240 volt divided by 60. So which gives 4 ampere. So the I is 4 ampere. The total resistance is 60 ohm. That is the final answer. Next question is, show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4 ohm. What is given? Given R1 which is equal to R2 which is equal to R3, 6 ohm. We know that there are 2 kind of combination possible here. One is series and another one is parallel. Let us try series combination. So sum of all the 3 resistors will give you the resistance value in series. So which is equal to 18 ohm. 6 plus 6 plus 6. Next, let us try with parallel combination. So 1 by Rp which is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, which is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is equal to 3 divided by 6, or Rp will be is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2 ohm. Let us check the answer. 18 ohm, no. This is wrong. 2 ohm, no. This is also wrong. How can we get the resistance values? So let us try with the first case. First two resistance in series, then parallel with the next resistance. So what we have, Rs will be is equal to R1 plus R2, which is equal to 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12 ohm. Next is connected in parallel. So 1 by Rp will be is equal to 1 by first two resistance in series with the third resistor, that is R3. So what do you get here? 1 divided by 12 plus 1 divided by 6. So if you take 12 as a common factor, so it is 1 plus 2. That is 1 by Rp, which is equal to 1 by, or Rp will be is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4 ohm. So we got 1. Next combination is, if you connect first two resistance in parallel, then series with the third resistance. So 1 by Rp, which is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2, which is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So what do you get here? 2 divided by 6, or Rp is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3 ohm. Then this resistor is connected in series with third resistor. 3 plus R3 value is 6. So what do you get? 9 ohm. So you got the two values, that is 9 ohm and 4 ohm. That is the final answer.